In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on GCash. If you need to update your name in GCash, the first thing to know is that GCash allows name changes for specific reasons only. GCash says fully verified users can request a name change if their surname changed because of civil status, if there is a spelling error, if a suffix needs to be corrected, or if the name was legally changed. For general profile updates, open the GCash app, go to Profile, tap your name, then choose Update Account Information and update your profile. After that, enter the 6-digit code sent to your GCash number, complete the verification, and submit the update. GCash says profile updates are usually completed within 3 days, and you'll receive an SMS once the update is done. Now, if your request is specifically for a name change, GCash says you also need supporting documents depending on the reason. For example, this may include a marriage certificate for a surname change, or a valid ID or birth certificate for a spelling correction. If the change is due to a legal name change, GCash says you should contact support and attach the required document. So again, to change your name on GCash, open Profile, tap your name, go to Update Account Information, complete the verification, and submit the request with the proper documents if needed. Then wait for GCash's SMS confirmation once the update is approved. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.